caught up on sleep. Slept a good 9 plus. It's January 2nd now. We did walk the waterfront looking for customs immigration, and they were closed New Year's Day. So we did find a guy that, was like, he probably could have checked us in, but he gave us a look like, there are going to be some fees if you make me check you in. So I said, we can come back tomorrow. And he said, yeah, that'd be great. Morning, boss.
Morning, how you doing?
Just saying hello to my people.
I come out for a swim, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So, it's morning, everything's all peaceful, it's quiet, these cruise ships are all rolling in. There's one already here, that big guy. So that's what's going on January 2nd. We're going to walk on down to Customs Immigration, get over to Budget Marine, buy some new jib sheets. I don't want to sail to Curacao with these current jib sheets that are frayed. Finish the Lazy Jack, which is literally hanging by threads. And then, that's today's projects. First thing in the morning, we got checked in at Customs and Immigration. They were closed on New Year's Day. Went to Budget Marine and picked up new jib line and new Lazy Jack line. We got back to the boat, installed the new jib sheets, hoisted the Bonaire flag, took down the yellow quarantine flag, and then we finished the Lazy Jack project, which began under less than ideal circumstances at sea. So that's handled. Some unused fireworks. We're gonna party. January 3rd, another gorgeous day in Bonaire. Today we're going to figure out how to get Nigel home. It's kind of, there were flights when I looked, now there aren't. So, how do I get a Grenadian home from Curacao? I mean, we're still in Bonaire, but he's agreed to help me get to Curacao. I just don't know how to get him home. So that's today's project. Another thing, even though we checked in yesterday, we're going to leave tomorrow before anybody opens, so we got to check out today. So we got to get that sorted. Out of customs, but not immigration. The immigration officer was over at the airport. Apparently a plane came in, So I gotta go back there at 3 o'clock. We're getting ready to leave. We're gonna leave Bonaire at 5 in the morning, headed for Curacao. So, doing everything now. We're gonna go get diesel and fill up our water tanks. And yeah, after the diesel and water tanks, just the immigration officer ought to be back. We can check out, and then we're ready to leave Bonaire. Sad. I'd love to stay here longer, but got a schedule. Darn it. Wow, it was right there, huh?
Yeah.
Long way from the block. Thanks, man. It's my fault. Nigel went diving for the gapping hook. He got it hooked, and then I let off on the gas, and then the wind took over, and he couldn't hold on and had to let it go. So to the bottom of the ocean, well, it's only like 6 feet, it went.
Catamaran on his deck. They're out this morning.
What's there?
The Catamaran, they was next to us.
Yeah, he was gone.
Yeah, he left 4 o'clock this morning.
Oh, no way.
Like he's going the same way too.